The Supreme Court has extended the stay on limitation period till the 28th of February for all judicial and quasi-judicial proceedings. The Supreme Court, in a detailed order, has made it clear that the balance limitation period on the 3rd of October 2021 will become effective from the 1st of March 2022. All persons and cases will have a limitation period of 90 days from the 1st of March. The time from 15th March 2020 till 28th of February 2022 will be excluded from limitation, and this order will apply to arbitration, commercial courts as well as cheque bounce cases. The court order will extend to any other laws which prescribe period of limitation for institution of any proceedings in a court of law. The Apex Court has passed this order due to the impact of the third wave and the possible difficulties faced by litigants and lawyers in the prevailing conditions. However, it also means that bankruptcies will take longer to resolve, and so will other financial disputes like cheque bounce cases. A lawyer's body in the Apex Court, the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, had moved the top court seeking to revive the stay on limitation period due to the third wave of the pandemic. It's not the first time that limitation period has been suspended. During the first wave, the Apex Court had suspended the limitation period from the 15th of March 2020 to 8th of March 2021. During the second wave, the court suspended limitation period from 27th April to the 2nd of October 2021. Suspension of limitation period means a stay on deadlines in cheque bounce cases, civil cases and election petitions. It allows lawyers and litigants to file cases without being time barred for the period which has already elapsed during the pandemic. In view of difficulties earlier faced by lawyers and litigants in moving court during the pandemic, on 6th of May 2020, the Apex Court had extended the periods of limitation under the Arbitration Act and the Negotiable Instruments Act from the 15th of March 2020 till further orders. The court order back then had implied that new cheque bounce cases could not be initiated, and the period of the pandemic was excluded from the lapse of time under the Limitation Act. The Limitation Act bars filing of cases after lapse of a certain period of time for various civil disputes like tussles over title and property, which makes the date of filing of the case essential for it to be admitted in a court of law. Back then CJI had asked the Attorney General to suggest the recourse available to litigants and lawyers if at all partial lockdowns are reimposed after the law of limitation comes back into effect with the lapse of the Apex Court order. It remains to be seen till when this limitation period stay is going to last, because it is going to not only positively impact various litigants and lawyers, but is going to have an adverse impact on bankruptcies and cheque bounce cases. Various other financial instruments which are covered under the Negotiable Instruments Act